Hello, today we are doing barbecue. So this is our setup here, barbecue setup. Okay, guys. So today we are doing barbecue. This is our barbecue master, Mr. Bilal. Master. So this is the kebab masala and everything. Sabur is now in charge of the fire pit. So the coal are getting heated, and then we are getting ready for the barbecue. So this is the view from the building. Okay, guys. So we will ask Bilal bhai about the recipe. So Bilal bhai.
Okay, assalamu alaikum to everybody. Recipe is quite easy. Shan tikka seed masala,
Okay.
paste of garlic and ginger,
Okay.
uh, green chili, two chilies in 1 kg, and coriander, somehow 4 or 5 leaves, onion with you have to remove water from the onion as much as possible, and half cup of oil, mix it up and enjoy.
So in the mince, is there any trick for the mince?
Not exactly, but try your level best as much as you can mince. As much as.
As much.
You have to make sure that every part of the meat is covered with the spices.
Okay. And do you have to add some fat in the mince also?
Yeah, actually, in the mince, what you will do is in 1 kg, there should be 200 grams of mince.
Okay, guys. So this
fat.
is very pro tip, because if without that, these kebabs will fall from the sticks basically. Yeah. If you don't have the fat in them, they will fall off. Okay. So guys, the coals are almost ready. Our kebabs are getting ready. These are the kebabs. Then these are the meat cubes, 40s. This is the malai boti. So basically chicken with yogurt and cream and some spices. So everything is getting ready, and then we are almost ready to put them on the fire. Abdullah is here, and Bilal, as you know. So guys, let's quickly look at some of the food safety tips for making any barbecue or grill items. Number one is, when we are doing shopping, make sure that all the meat items are picked up in the last time of the shopping. So don't pick them in the start part of your shopping and then keep in your cart for a long time. And ensure to keep them separate from other food items, because as you know that raw meat, poultry and seafood is a source of microorganism and can contaminate other food items like vegetables or any other food items. So keep them separate to avoid cross contamination. Then when you bring them back home, till the time you use them, ensure that you keep them in the refrigerator. Even after marination, the marinade should be kept in the refrigerator, so that it is not allowing the growth of microorganism in any way. Before handling any food product, make sure that you wash your hands thoroughly and then start handling the food. And especially after handling any raw items and before touching any ready to eat items, wash your hands in the middle. That's very important. Cook the food items thoroughly, especially the meat items. Cook them thoroughly until the juices run clear. Chicken and minced products, like minced beef and all, should be cooked to a core temperature of 75 degrees Celsius. Steaks can be cooked to a desired internal cooking temperatures. You can eat them as well done, medium or rare, as long as the surface is seared off properly. Then most importantly, do not cross contaminate. Make sure that the raw items and the cooked items are kept separate. Do not use the same plates to keep raw and ready to eat or cooked items, otherwise the raw meat juices will contaminate the already cooked product. So it's better to keep separate plates. and all the leftovers or anything is not consumed immediately. Cool it down quickly and put it in the refrigerator to be consumed afterwards. Do not leave them outside for a long time. Guys, the first batch is on the fire. Okay, here we go.
बोल भाई ये चिकन वाली फड़ी होगा हाँ जी चिकन फड़ी होगा कर ले बस
So this is the chicken pieces. So this is the oil that should be sprayed on the meat to keep it tender and juicy. When the coals are really hot, like this white coals like this, then the meat cooks very fast. Guys, so this is the ready barbecue. Everybody is enjoying. Healthy and ready. High protein diet. No carbs. Guys, this is Umair, last member of our group, latecomer, due to office work. How are you, Tiki? Hello. Hello. The cheese. What is this? Tiki, what is this?
Spray
Oil. Oil spray, yes. Spray, yes. So guys, barbecue is not complete until we have tea made on coal. So now the water is being boiled and we'll make tea on coal. So no barbecue is complete without this for us. What did you like the most today in the barbecue?
I liked eating noodles and I liked playing a lot.
Amazing. So did you enjoy today?
Yeah.
Okay. Out of all the food items, do you like the noodles most?
Yeah.
Did you try the chicken? The chicken malai bhati?
No. Only the noodles.
Only the noodles?
Yeah.
Okay. Next time try chicken malai bhati.
Okay.
Okay. See you. Bye.
Bye.